We've already learned how to build a chord on each note of the major scale. So for example, here in C major, we've got C major, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, B diminished, C. When we play the major scale, we feel ourselves drawn towards the inevitable conclusion of the scale. Each note increasingly pulls you towards that top note. And so the major scale is very expressive, but what if we build all possible inversions of a triad on each step of that scale? So we start with the basic triad, and we move the top note up one step. Now we have a chord that's in first inversion. This is A minor in first inversion. And then we take this middle note, we move it up half a step. Now we've got F major in second inversion. So we have root position, first inversion, second inversion. I want to show you a chord exercise now that you can use using this sequence of chords. First inversion, second inversion. So I'm going to switch to the overhead camera. So we're going to build all possible inversions of a triad on each step of the major scale. So we're starting here with C major. And now we will change this note. And now we have A minor first inversion. And then we take the middle note, we raise it. And now we have F major second inversion. Then we're going to take the bottom note and bring it up. And now we are building all possible inversions on a triad based on the second note of the C major scale. So we have this, then I hope you're beginning to see a pattern of developing here. Root position, first inversion, second inversion. Root position, first inversion, second inversion. Root position. And now we're back. So you can begin this chord exercise by just playing through these particular chords. Now when you get to the diminished chord, it's a little bit different because we're actually end up playing, this is G in first inversion, and then this is E minor in second inversion, and then we're now back to 1. We don't want to limit ourselves to the key of C major. So remember, what we're doing is building all possible inversions of a triad on each step of the major scale. So here are some variations that we can use with this exercise. First, the hands are still playing parallel. We've got the same notes, but different fingerings. So pay careful attention to the fingers that I'm using. That's one variation. The other one would go like this. So in those variations, the hands are playing parallel, same notes but different fingerings. Now we can go back and play them symmetrically. In other words, we have different notes but the same fingering. It would look something like this. Well, actually, it would look exactly like this. Now your challenge is to transpose this into all the different major keys. What this is going to do, of course, is to get you very familiar with all the chords, but coming at them from a different angle, as it were, arriving at these chords in a different way. Thank you for watching. Thank you for playing along. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.